Welcome to Production Expert. My name's Dan Cooper. In this free 4-part series, I'm going to show you the basics of mixing a project all within Waves CLA MixHub, which provides an in-the-box analog console workflow based on Crystal Audi's own SSL board. Now, this is a fairly simple project. We've got 4 channels for drums, outputted to its own submix, bass guitar, 2 electric guitars, and a lead vocal.
She's got those soft feet, the kind that dance on hot, hot sand, yo. The earth is just rolling between her toes. Do you know the smooth ankles? A blessed bridge for one to cross over. Baby, let me pass through. I wanna come over. Hey.
Now, in this first episode, I want to show you around CLA MixHub so that you can get to grips with it and learn how to best use it. Now, on default, it will load up like this. This is its channel strip view, giving you a global view over all the controls within the plugin, from input, EQ, dynamics, metering, fader, pan control, and width, which is very handy when you're working on a track-by-track basis. What's nice about this plugin is that you can, if you wish, reorder the modules to put dynamics before EQ. And if you wish, you can load another Waves plugin up here, the J37 tape. And now that's in the chain. Close this down. We can always reorder this as well. If we changed our minds, we can always disable the plugin, remove the plugin, or change it. All very handy. And as I said, this is a very useful view to have if you are working on, let's say, just a lead vocal or just a bass guitar, track-by-track basis. But the special sauce in this is up here, bucket view, which doesn't look like much at present. It's all empty, but what we can do is assign tracks in our DAW that have CLA MixHub inserted, so we can get a global view of our mix within CLA MixHub. And we have 8 buckets here to choose from that we can have 8 channels within. So for this first bucket here, I'm going to name it drums, and I'm going to go to assign, and CLA MixHub knows that these are the tracks in my DAW that have CLA MixHub on, and I'm just going to assign overhead, kick, snare, tom, and drum bus. If we come out, we can now see all of those have been populated here in this first bucket. Now in the second bucket, I could just call this instruments, go up to assign again, and we can put bass, the 2 guitars, and vocal. And now we've got all of the tracks in my DAW here now to use in MixHub. But you're probably wondering, what's the point in that? Well, if you look closely, this now gives us global control over input, EQ, dynamics, and balance. So if you're working on the drums, it's very much like working on a console. You can adjust the top ends on, say, your snare drum while adjusting bottom ends on your kick drum. It'd save you having to, if we go back to channel view, closing down plugins and opening them up again when you want to jump between your tracks, which is a great time saver. Now in the next video, we're going to start doing some mixing, looking closely at the input stage, hearing how much we can do by adding some colour to key parts in this mix. Anyway, hope you guys got something from this. See you in the next video.